To our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of disabling the automatic change to dark mode in Telegram. If you prefer to manually control the appearance of your Telegram app, this tutorial is for you. Let's begin with the full guide. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Locate the Telegram icon and give it a tap to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're inside Telegram, look for the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on them to access the main menu. Step 3. From the menu options, tap on Settings. You can easily find the Settings option represented by a gear icon. Step 4. Inside the Settings page, scroll down until you find Chat Settings. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Within the Chat Settings section, continue scrolling down until you find Auto Night Mode. Tap on it to access the automatic dark mode settings. Step 6. Inside the Auto Night Mode settings, disable the option to prevent Telegram from automatically changing to dark mode. Congratulations! You have successfully disabled the automatic change to dark mode in Telegram. Now you can manually control the appearance of your app. By following these simple steps, you can personalize your Telegram experience by choosing when to switch to dark mode. We hope this comprehensive guide has been helpful in assisting you with disabling the automatic change to dark mode in Telegram. If you found this video informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy a customized Telegram experience without the automatic switch to dark mode.